Hey YouTube, what's going on today? We got another truck compilation video for you. My name's White Trash Pile. Let's dive right into this.
Owning a second-gen Cummins, Part 6, fucking mint edition. Foggy-ass headlight with water in it, fucking mint. Sanded all the paint down because I have no time to paint it or work on it, fucking mint. Timing cover leaking all over my fucking suspension and my inner fender wall, fucking mint. 5-inch lift kit with 37s without a long arm kit, still rubs like a motherfucker, fucking mint. Ex-girlfriend pissed me off, so I punched my mirror out, fucking mint. Flex pipe exhaust from the downpipe back, fucking mint. No bumper bracket bolted onto the fucking bed, fucking mint. Taillight loose as shit from the tailgate falling out, fucking mint. Missing third brake light, fucking mint. Fuck, if I even touch this thing,
You don't need a third brake light anyways.
Fucking mint.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the field.
What's bigger? The clearance between that rim and that car, or your pecker? Comment below.
Backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on, or it'll fall down.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Tint on my windows, shades on, I can barely see the road. Off of the ends, gotta get it when the wind blows.
Why he ain't drop it? I've been going hard, it's gonna be hard for you to talk that. I make it look easy, but this shit really a project. I'm really a millionaire, still in the project. Baby putting on for the city, baby he the realest. Baby probably got a couple million, baby having 4 or 5 kids.
Don't you get to fighting in the comments about them squatted trucks. Don't do it.
Baby got
Don't touch my truck. Don't touch my V8 engine with the windows tinted. Boy, we came from the bottom, got it out the mud.
Looks like this guy got behind me after a night at Taco Bell.
Woo! This is nice.
Dude, that is awesome.
Get in here.
Yeah, I didn't bring my bathing suit, so.
Oh shoot, is that the lady?
Wait, what?
She owns the truck. Hide. Oh, every single time.
That was stupid.
Ladies, find you a man that drives an old truck that always needs work. Because if he has the patience and money to deal with this, he has the patience and money to deal with your ass. I promise.
Thanks for watching to the end, guys. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. If you like this hat, if you like this hoodie, if you like this drip, go get you one. LeeTrucksApparel.com. Appreciate you guys. Peace out.